Hello, everyone. Did you know that cats have the best eyesight of any animal? In the meantime, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. A cat's eyes can be round, luxuriant, and almond-shaped in shape. Cats can see 10 times better than humans. They're also capable of spotting an object 500 meters away. Cats are predators by nature, and therefore their eyes are better able to distinguish objects that move horizontally. A cat's eyes can look forward, downward, and under its paws. This allows them to calculate the distance to their prey when hunting small animals. And cats have whiskers to help them explore at close range. Cats see colors more dimly. Cats are good at distinguishing blue. And green colors, as well as 26 shades of gray. This ability helps them quickly distinguish rodents in the wild. Whose coat color is more often dyed in gray tones. If you liked my story, please subscribe. It would be my pleasure.